Mackenzie today. I've been out gardening, getting lots of stuff out there. You can't see it very well from here. Anyway, I thought I just needed to stop for a break, so I'm going to light the fire to keep the bugs out of here. See if I can see where the fire is on here. Where is it? There it is. All right, and I'm going to sit over there. This is incense. If I put the incense up, it'll keep the bugs away. And you stick it in the ground around you, or use it to light the fire, which is my choice. Okay, so I think I'll put them on the doorway by you, so that the bugs won't come through. Put a little bit of work. See how I got it up there? In between that? Hopefully that'll keep the doorway protected. So I have them on both sides now. So I have one here, and one here. Well, now it's down there. Okay. There, and one up here. That should keep them from coming over. Now I go try and light this thing. Can I tell you, I hit myself in the head with a hammer? Hit myself really hard, like I was pulling a nail. And I got myself right in my nose. I'll just light up some more. You know, you really need a teepee. It's a great spot to go when you're gardening and you're dirty. You don't want to go in the house. Okay, there we go. But now I don't have any fire on my food. I never read the newspaper unless I happen to be lighting a fire. Anyway. Well, hello. There's a robin just flew over. Smoke everywhere. You know the bugs ate my legs. They went through my socks. That's pretty bad, eh? Okay, now you don't need to burn up here. We were thinking more of you burning down in there, lighting it on fire. I'll light the fire, and you place the flowers in the heart that you bought today. I wonder if I could play that on my violin. Our house is a very, very, very fine house. It's interesting how comfortable I feel in my teepee. Totally comfortable. I don't feel comfortable in the house when it's all clean like it is. Oh, it's not me. I mean, it's okay, but it's... There we go. See? We got a fire going.